forget to subscribe.
So good.
Yo, what's up?
Alright, so today is a very hot day.
Very
and
hot.
We are in Seminyak actually, and we decided to have a lunch in one nice restaurant in Seminyak. Let's see what we will have order for lunch.
And meanwhile, we have a beautiful,
I have a beautiful coffee. Look at this.
Hello.
And then I order my cake. This is a chocolate cake. Look at this one. So good. Because I already have my lunch before, so now I will just, eat my dessert here. Yeah, this is how they make the coffee, the printing coffee ripples. Yeah, so this is how the ripples machine actually. A very nice cake. So we are in Coffee Cartel, and the place is so cozy. Every single corner. Oh wow, look at this one. They also have a very nice boutique here, and they also have that on the top. So that's our logo on the top.
1, 2, 3, get it. To subscribe.
So good. Suk sama. Alright, now I will show you how is the room on the the restaurant on the top. So beautiful. So they have the second floor actually. And yes, so we sit over there. Beautiful, nice sitting area. Very nice. And then facing the street. And then my coffee. Terima kasih. Ooh.
Honey, how is your cake?
This is so good. Look at this one. Chocolate. I love it.
I really like the coffee.
You wanna try? I give you a bit.
Give me a bit, give me back that. Oh, so nice. Okay, meanwhile, I will show you the menu. Menu is actually very nice. This is not paid endorsement, okay? This is the hidden, the logo, however. Look, the menu is really beautiful, I have to say. And quickly, the prices, our style. Coffee 35, include the tax, so it's really not so bad. And I order beautiful burger, which is coming right now. When you drop the flour, it's okay, no problem. This lovely
double royal with cheese.
This is double royal with cheese. Thank you.
Thank you. Please enjoy.
Yeah, thank you so much, my friend. Honey, what's happened with the flour over here?
I thought that I gonna record it with a big camera, but look at the food. Look at his burger.
The burger is so nice, really nice.
So very nice place, and also this place is very Instagrammable. Later on I will show you where is the Instagram spot. Alright, I've got so many emails, and then a message in Instagram asking what's Winnie's job? Why is she so busy? Why is she working so hard? Well, I know that most of you are curious what I'm doing actually. Well, I just want to say that what I'm doing, I am dedicating myself for a better education in Indonesia. So I got my master degree in education. So right now what I'm doing, I'm busy teaching you know, like putting myself into improving the better education in Indonesia. So I really love reading stories. I really love, you know, like going to the places around Indonesia, and I'll show you one of our pictures. Exactly last year, at this month last year, I was in Sumba. So I will share you what I'm doing. Well, in this picture you see that I am teaching the stories to the children, and I also sharing, like, you know, because I used to learn about pedagogy and education. So yeah, I'm sharing to teachers about how to teach, you know, literacy programs, so something like that. So I'm so sorry that somehow I couldn't accompany Damian to go somewhere and making vlog, but this is now, I just want to inform you what I am doing. Alright, so you see in my pictures, I was in Sumba. Well, actually that exactly last year in this month, January last year, I was in Sumba. So where is Sumba? Sumba is actually in the East Nusa Tenggara in Indonesia. So I was doing research there, and then yeah, Sumba is a beautiful island. So how do you get there? So from Bali you take flight around 1 hour, and yeah, around 1 hour. And then as you see that in my pictures, I also interact with the local, and you see that Sumbanese lady, they are, you know, like making a traditional clothes, and then I went visit the traditional Sumbanese family. It's very beautiful and it's really good feeling. And one interesting fact, or one interesting information, is David Beckham, whenever he was in Indonesia, he used to stay in Sumba Island. Sumba Island is so beautiful. So my passion, I really like to traveling and also sharing, you know, like about teaching, sharing about reading stories to the children. So that's what I'm doing. So that's why you see I'm so busy on my laptop, because yeah, nowadays schools are closed. So that's why I have to do something online right now. And currently in Bali, I also, you know, teaching in one university in Bali. That's why I always on my laptop.
Alright, so the most mysterious asking question and thing what Winnie is doing finally is answered, at least little bit. I hope so you enjoyed. Comment below what do you think. Some of you already saw this story on Instagram 2 or 3 days ago. However, many of you don't follow us on Instagram, so comment below what do you think. Will be some pictures, videos from Sumba Island. For sure, maybe one day when everything come back to normal, we will go there together, explore.
For sure,
I really wanna make a vlogs there.
Yeah. So my project actually is not only in Sumba Island, but all over around Indonesia. Like 2 years ago, I was in Palu in Sulawesi.
Where was the big earthquake or the tsunami?
If you have ever been heard about a tsunami or liquefaction or something like that in Indonesia, that was in Sulawesi. Yes, I was there. I witnessed everything. Like, I mean, like, even I still, you know, I think I still have the picture how Palu, when I was in Palu.
All right, so. The burger was so good. I'm still so heavy now. It's time for a walk a little bit, and we are just next to the Sea Circus. We'll come here finding gelato. They have a gelato ice cream, something like this, But first of all, would like to show you a little bit around.
Yeah, so I know that some of you, I think that sending emails or something like Instagram.
Yeah, many comments, especially
especially like asking that how it is, you know, Seminyak nowadays, is the restaurant open like this one, Neon Palm, Sea Circus. I think there was one lady like asked us how it is, and she missed a lot about Seminyak. So this is for you. I forgot your name, but
I forgot also. We're getting nowadays quite many comments, so I appreciate that. If you have any ideas, always welcome to comment. And that's how it looks. This is the neon something.
Neon palms and the what is it? The boutique actually.
Yeah.
And then I forgot that you also asked us how about Motel Mexicola. Well, unfortunately, we will see how it is Motel Mexicola. I know that you like going to Motel Mexicola. Unfortunately, well,
Motel Mexicola unfortunately is closed. Honey,
yes.
change
so-
position please.
yes,
Grab
so
my
this is
hand.
the entrance of Motel Mexicola.
It's actually closed, unfortunately.
Yeah. I'll show you from outside.
Yeah, that's how it looked like.
I think that they are closed because of, you know, the government rule nowadays, you know, making like all the restaurants have to be closed at 8. So it's no point, you know, if they are just like open at night and they have to, you know, close at 8.
Yeah, this is the entrance to the Motel Mexicola, as you can see.
And then you see no photos, no videos allowed. So it means that whenever you go to Motel Mexicola, they never let you do
Yeah,
it.
that's I was answering today's comment or yesterday's comments actually about that. I forgot your name. I have bad memories to the names, however.
Yeah.
It's not allowed to go inside and record.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's closed.
All right, now let's have an ice cream. I already feel like melting. It's so hot nowadays.
Ice cream time, ice cream time. That's how it look. Quickly situation in Sea Circus. As you can see, nothing is happening. But my Sayang enjoyed the...
I really like the gelato. So good.
Alright, so we are in the Sea Circus.
All right, so now we are in Sea Circus. Actually, I know that long time ago before this situation happened. Whenever we come to Sea Circus, we used to be, you know, like on the waiting list, waiting outside, and then thinking that is there any space, something like that. But today,
Nobody
oh my
is
God,
here.
I
You can
can
sit
choose
wherever
I want because only us here.
So cool. I mean, so sad, but cool at the same time.
Yeah.
Quite weird, strange
Yeah.
feeling. But that's how it looked. Trying to show you around as nobody around at all.
Only us.
So
So this is our favorite seat actually whenever we are in Sea Circus.
if we have seat, like, because usually it's busy, but not
Alright,
today.
so thank you, Ma. I order gelato, so hot. This is for you guys. I ordered chocolate gelato.
Oh, very nice.
Oh my God, so good. The chocolate, so good. Hi, honey.
Hi, Chayang.
So this is how it is in Sea Circus. Only us. Normally we are waiting outside looking for the seat, but now this is how it is. And look at this one. I really like to go to the bathroom because they have a very nice, you know, like style in the bathroom. Look at this. Very nice. It's just really like, you know, at the circus, whenever you get ready in the circus, you have a big mirror with the light. Very nice. And the pictures on the wall. It's very nice. It's very cool, Instagrammable place. Alright, so after we walk around the Sea Circus, Neon Palms and Motel Mexicola, and then we already have gelato and cola for Damian, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching, and as usual, see you tomorrow. Bye!